Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss Pythagoras theorem. Before that, let us first see theorem 6.7. The statement is, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangle on both the sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Okay, have you understood what the statement is? Yes, if not, then read again. Okay, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle triangle, so from right angle triangle we are drawing a perpendicular to the hypotenuse, then we will get two triangles. Now we have to prove that both the triangles are similar to each other. First, before that, we have to prove that each of the triangle is similar to the bigger triangle, and hence both the triangles are similar to each other. Yes, let me show you in the diagram. So here, first I will draw a right angle triangle. So suppose this is a right angle triangle, and from hypotenuse I am drawing from vertex I am drawing a perpendicular to the hypotenuse. This is a triangle ABC. Now in this triangle ABC, this angle A is 90 degree. From A I have drawn one perpendicular AD on this hypotenuse BC. Okay, so I can say that what is given? Given is, in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. Also AD is perpendicular to BC. And what is to prove? So we have to prove first triangle ABC is similar to triangle, now I am taking this bigger triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DBA. So first I take triangle DBA. Now second, I have to prove that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. And third, I have to prove this triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. So this is what we have to prove, that each triangle is similar to this bigger triangle, and hence both the triangles are similar to each other. Now in proof, let us see proof. We take in triangle ABC and triangle DBA. Now in these two triangles, you can see that angle BAC is congruent or is equal, we can say. Simply we can say that angle BAC is equal to angle BBAC. This is 90 degree. So this BAC is equals to BDA. Angle BDA is also 90 degree. Reason, each angle 90 degree. Okay, no need to give number like 1 or something. Similarly, angle ABC is equals to angle DBA. They are common angle, same angle. So therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DBA. This is AA criteria. This you can say that this is your equation 1. Similarly, we can prove So similarly we can prove that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle. Now when I take ABC, with this I will take triangle DAC. While writing triangles, you can see that I am maintaining the correspondence of angle. Angle A of this is equals to angle D, each 90 degree. First position I have given, and angle C is common, last position I have given. Okay. So the third vertices will find its place by its own. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Here also we will apply angle criteria. This is our second equation. Now from 1 and 2 I can say that from 1 and 2 this triangle DBA is similar to ABC and this triangle DAC is similar to ABC. So from 1 and 2 I will say that triangle DBA is similar to triangle DAC. Right. So you have understood that in a right angle triangle, if I draw a perpendicular from right angle to the hypotenuse, then each triangle is similar to triangle ABC and these two triangles are similar to each other. Now using this I can prove the Pythagoras theorem. You know Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is in a right angle triangle, sum of square of two sides forming the right angle is equals to square of hypotenuse. This is our Pythagoras theorem. So again, if I draw a right angle triangle in the same way, suppose I draw this right angle triangle, okay, then this right angle triangle is ABC again, and here I will draw a perpendicular, okay. Let us say this is D. In Pythagoras theorem we have to prove that what is given, if I write given, so in triangle ABC angle A is 90 degree given, and what we have to prove? So we have to prove that AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. Now to prove, we first do a construction. We have drawn AD perpendicular to BC. Now triangle, we will take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle D. I will start with DBA, triangle DBA. This is our theorem 6.7, which we have just proved. So therefore you will get AB upon DB is equals to BC or CB upon AB, corresponding part of similar triangle. Okay, therefore I will cross multiply and I will say that AB square is equals to CB into DB. CB or BC, we can say that BC into DB. Okay, so afterwards we will see all these wordings. This is equation 1. Also we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle DAC. Again theorem 6.7. Therefore now here in this case AC, I want AC square. So I will say that AC upon DC or CD is equals to BC upon AC, and this gives me AC square is equals to BC into CD. Okay, this we take equation 2. Now we add equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is equals to, here we get CB, so CB we can write BC into BD plus here it is BC into DC. Now BC I can take common, here it is BD plus DC. Now see, BD plus DC is BC, so I will write this is equals to BC into BC. This will become BC square. So AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square, hence proved. Simple. This is our Pythagoras theorem. If this is Pythagoras theorem, then what is converse of Pythagoras theorem? What is converse of Pythagoras theorem? Tell me. What is converse of Pythagoras theorem? Now converse is that if in a triangle a square of one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides, then the angle opposite to first side is 90 degree. Means I can say that in triangle ABC, okay, what is given? So let us take triangle ABC. Simply I will take triangle ABC like this. Okay, let us take this as ABC. In triangle ABC, it is given that AC square in triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is given. What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle B is 90 degree. Okay. So here again we will do a construction. So what construction we will do? We draw a triangle PQR with PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. Also angle Q is 90 degree. Okay. So I will draw one triangle like this. This is triangle PQR, and here I have this angle 90 degree. Now triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. So in triangle PQR, let me move these two triangles. Let us move somewhere here. Okay. So when we are proving, it is in front of us. Okay. So in triangle PQR, what we can say that PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Right? Now we know that this PQ is equals to AB, so this will become AB square, and this QR square will become BC square. This is by our construction. but we know that this AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. It is given, na? AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So I will write this is equals to AC square. This is given. So PR square is equals to AC square. Therefore PR is equals to AC. I will consider this as equation 1. Now I will take triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equals to PQ. This is our construction. BC equal to QR. This is again same construction, and AC equal to PR. This from 1. So therefore this triangle ABC is now congruent to triangle PQR by side criteria, right? By side criteria. Therefore angle B will be equals to angle Q is equals to 90 degree. We know that angle Q is 90 degree, therefore angle B is 90 degree, hence proved. So you understand how to prove Pythagoras theorem and how to prove the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now let us solve exercise problems. So let us move to exercise 6.5. Let us move to exercise 6.5. Okay, you can refer the theorem which is proved in textbook. You can also see the various examples solved here. Okay, then you can start solving these problems. The first problem is the side of triangles are given below. Determine which of them are right angle triangle. In case of right angle triangle, write the length of its hypotenuse. So first example is 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. So first problem we will take. It is given 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. We have to check whether these are the length of sides of right angle triangle, and if they are sides of right angle triangle, then I have to find the value of hypotenuse. Now we know that hypotenuse is the longest side, and square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of square of other two sides. If this problem will come, it will come for 1 marks only. So your solution should be simple one. Now sum of square of two smaller sides should be equal to square of larger side. So let us see what is 7 square plus 24 square. So here 7 square plus 24 square is equals to square of 7 is 49, square of 24 is 576, right? I hope you remember or you have learned squares till 25 for easy calculations, for fast calculation. Now 6 plus 9, 15, 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, again 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 625. Now this 625 is square of 25, right? And here the third side is 25. So therefore I will say okay, these sides are side of right angle triangle. So the given sides are side of right angle triangle, and length of hypotenuse, and here length of hypotenuse is equals to 25 centimeter. Okay, so let us take another problem. Another problem is 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3, 6 and 8. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, here hypotenuse, I think HYPOTENUSE. I generally confuse with this value, this spelling, hypotenuse. Fine, correct. So now next problem is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Again here 8 centimeter is the longest one. So let us see what is 3 square plus 6 square. 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36. So 9 plus 36 is 9 plus 6, so this is 45. But this is not equal to 8 square. So therefore here we have 3 square plus 6 square, which is not equal to 8 square. Therefore these are not the sides of right angle triangle. Simple. Like that you can solve this third and fourth question. I will move to the next question, question number 2. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, and M is point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. We have to show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. So here we have PQR is a triangle right angle at P. So let us draw PQR right angle at P. So I will draw, let us say like this. This is point P and this is right angle. P, Q and R. Then PM is drawn perpendicular to QR. Then PM is drawn perpendicular to QR. We have to show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. We have to show that PM square. So to show PM square equal to QM into MR. Now you can write what is given. You can write that in triangle PQR angle P 90 degree and PM perpendicular to QR. This is given and this is to show. Now let us start solution. Now in these kind of problems you have to understand that the square side should come in both the triangles, which I will prove similar. So this PM should come, okay, in two triangles. So for that I will take one triangle as QPM or QMP. So in solution I will say that in triangle QMP, or better I will first prove that each triangle is similar to this bigger triangle, and then I will do the calculation, or better here I will show that this angle is, this angle you can show say x degree, then this angle P is 90 degree, so this angle R will become 90 minus x degree. Okay, this angle is 90 minus x, so this angle here, this will become x degree, and this angle here, it will be 90 minus x. So in triangle, better in triangle I will say that QMP, in triangle QMP and triangle PMR, in triangle PMR. Now in these two triangles, angle QMP is equals to angle PMR, each 90 degree, and angle MQP is equals to angle MQP is equals to MPR. Each x. So therefore triangle QMP is similar to triangle PMR. You could also have used here theorem 6.7, that you write the statement that in a right angle triangle, if we draw a perpendicular from vertex, okay, to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to each other. Okay, you can use that statement and you can show that these two triangles are similar. Why I have used these two triangles? Because I have to use PM square. So this is AA criteria. So therefore PM upon RM is equals to QM upon PM. So therefore you have PM square is equals to QM into MR. Now what you have to prove? PM is equals to QM into MR. Hence proved. This you can write their corresponding part of similar triangle. This is AA criteria. Okay. Now let us see the third question. Now the third question is figure number 6.53. ABD is a triangle. ABD is a triangle. Right angle at A. So angle A is right angle. Then again we have drawn a perpendicular. AC is perpendicular to BD. We have to show that AB square is equals to BC into BD. Then we have to show that AC square is equals to BC into DC, and we have to show that AD square is equals to BD into CD. I think this you can do by yourself, right? Or shall I do it? Let us do this problem also. Okay. So ABC, ABD, triangle is ABD, BAD. Okay. So here I will draw a triangle BAD. Okay. Like this right angle triangle we draw. BAD, and I will join this BD, and then from this angle A I will draw one perpendicular. Okay. And I name this as C. So angle A is also a 90-degree angle. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. We have to prove here, to show or to prove. First we have to show that AB square is equals to BC into BD. AB square, AC square, AD square. AB square second AC square and third is AB square, AC square and then AD square. Now this AB square, I have to prove that this AB square is equals to BD into BC into BD. Okay, BC into BD. This we have to prove that this is BC into BD. This AC square we have to prove that BC into CD, and this AD square we have to prove that CD into BD. Okay, so BD into CD, right? AD square is equals to BD into CD. Okay, order I have just shuffled to show. Now here I will start solution. Now in solution, okay, right, in solution again I have triangle. Let us take triangle BAD. In triangle BAD and triangle, or as we have proved in 6.7 theorem, I can use a statement, okay, that by theorem 6.7, better I will write here, using or by theorem 6.7, triangle BAD, triangle BAD is similar, BAD, this bigger triangle I have taken, BAD is similar to triangle BCA. First triangle BCA similar to triangle. Now this BAD and BCA, how I selected them? Angle B is common, angle A and angle C is 90 degree, and similarly this is similar to angle triangle ACD. Now this BAD and ACD, in these two triangles, angle A and angle C, they are 90 degree and D is the common angle. So these three triangles are similar to each other. Now first I want AB square. So AB square, for that I will take, so therefore triangle I will select BAD and BCA. This is similar to BCA. So I will first select these two triangles, and here BA or AB, I will say that AB upon CB is equals to DB upon AB. Okay. Now from these two triangles I am taking sides with their proper correspondence. This is corresponding part of similar triangle. Okay. So when I take AB, so this is A and this is B. So here I take C and B. Then I taken here AB. So here I take DB. So this is how I am selecting. Now AB square, therefore I have AB square is equals to BC into BD. So this I will consider equation 1 and I will put it in one box because this is my first answer. AB square is equals to BC into BD. Okay. Now I have to show that AC square is equals to BC into CD. That I have already shown in the previous problem. So second, I will take triangle BCA. Triangle BCA is similar to triangle ACD. So I want AC square. So here again AC upon, so therefore AC upon DC is equals to BC upon AC. Therefore AC square is equals to BC into DC. Again check BC into DC or CD, same thing. So this is second part. We have proved this also. You can keep this also in one bracket. Okay. And third I will take triangle BAD and ACD. Triangle BAD and, so triangle BAD and triangle ACD, they are similar. So let us write that they are similar triangle. So triangle BAD is similar to triangle ACD. Now here I want AD square. So for AD square, AD. So I will say that AD upon CD is equals to, here also I want AD. So I will write here BD upon AD. So therefore I have AD square is equals to BD into CD. This is third part. So equation 1, 2 and 3 are the required solutions. This is our third part. We have shown that AD square is equals to BD into CD. Easy, right? They're simple problems. Okay. So I think I will stop this lecture here and see other problems in our next class. Okay. I hope you understand each and every problem well. If any doubt, then definitely you call me. I will explain. Thank you.